50, providing the framework for a governance and a modern legal system. So, currently whenever we are looking towards a judicial system, obviously constitution is the the main guiding star, you can say, or it is the document, or it is we should, I cannot say it is a document, it is the Constitution of India is like a guiding for all the that judicial system and overall governance of the land. Okay. Now, when we are talking about this constitution, it is generated like it is for you can say that the fundamental rights of a citizens, and that is taking care of that fundamentals right. And then there are like there is a deliberation on the powers and the responsibilities of the legislature, executive and the judiciary. So, you can just say, although we say that these three pillars are there, but these three pillars, that is a legislative or executive or judiciary, these are like the guidelines are by the Constitution of India. Indian legal system, if you see today, it is a blend of common law